Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun one for you. I was tagged by my friend Clara Barrera here on YouTube. She was tagged by her friend Carmel Nicole, and here's the challenge. You can only have 6 items with you on this desert island. You get a skincare item, a body care item, a hair care item, a tool, 1 makeup, and a fragrance. This is very hard for me, and Carmel, thank goodness, gave us a bonus. So I have my picks in front of me. I thought it would be very interesting to put these items on my face and discuss why I made these choices. That sounds like fun? Just keep watching. I do have my skincare on already, and what I chose was this Vanicream. This is the Vanicream Moisturizing Cream for Sensitive Skin. I've heard this recommended on social media. It was also recommended to me from my dermatologist. I have been using this on my face for about 6 months now. I also use it on my body. I use a little bit less on my face than I do on my body because I am oily, but it's been working out great. It is so nourishing and not fragranced. It is fabulous. And I even have a small container that I just put it in for when I travel. For skincare, what I chose was an SPF. This is the e.l.f. Invisible Sunscreen. This has a 35 broad spectrum. It is water resistant for 80 minutes. And I would choose this to put on my face because I want to protect my skin. For makeup, this was the hardest one for me, and you will probably not be surprised to hear that the bonus item that we were given, I chose another makeup item. I chose lips for the makeup item, and I grabbed this Wet n Wild. This is a blast from the past. This is the Liquid Catsuit matte lipstick. I have mine in Missy and Fierce, and I figured I would choose my e.l.f. This is their liquid blush brush, and I'm going to use this on my lips and my cheeks. Has anybody seen that social media where they say all you need is a red lip and it'll make your skin look smoother? I'm kind of counting on that. Let's hope it's true. I love this red lip. It dries down to a velvety matte finish. It is not over drying, and it really stays on. I will show you towards the end of the video. It does not go anywhere. It is even pretty good while you are eating. I would avoid greasy things, but one of my longest lasting liquid lips, and this shade is awesome. I also like that the pointed applicator makes it pretty easy to draw it on your lips without making a mess because we have no lip liner. Now, of course, red blush is all the rage right now, so it was very easy for me to think, I'm going to take this and put it on my cheeks as well. I chose a more dense blush brush because I think that would work better. This is going to set down pretty fast, so we're going to want to work pretty fast. I'm going to put just a little bit on my hand, go in with the brush, and just be careful. And really just add some life on these cheeks. I'm hoping that if I'm on a desert island, I have a nice tan going on, because I'm surely missing my bronzer right now. Maybe even a little bit on the eyes. I like the way that looks. Now for the hair care item that I chose. What I chose was a hair oil. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. It's got camellia and sunflower oils. It provides deep nourishment, silky softness, and luxurious shine. It does have a pleasant scent, and I use this oil pretty much daily. I will use it to smooth frizz. If I am re-wetting my curls, I will run my hands through my hair with the curls and then just put a little bit of this hair oil in it. It really does help smooth and provide some nourishment, especially to my ends. Next, I'll share my bonus item, and yes, I chose a makeup item, and what I chose was mascara. Now I'm going to try to multitask this mascara. This is the L'Oreal Panorama Voluminous in the gold packaging, which is the packaging I prefer. I love this mascara in general. This is a brown black. Now, hitting the base of my lashes with the end, I'm hoping that that also gives a little bit of eye definition. This is a really nice mascara that fans out. That is helping. Now that there is less product in the wand, I'm going to see about hitting these brows a teensy bit. I would normally use a black mascara. I found this in my drawer and thought, ooh, this might be perfect. And I am going super duper light, and I'm not looking for perfection, just a little bit of color in these sparse brows. Do you see the difference? I think that helps. I am liking this more than I thought I would. The last choice that I was given is a fragrance, and I'm very excited to be sharing this fragrance with you because I've never spoken about it on my channel. I picked it up for a Christmas gift for myself, and it is this one here from Gucci. It is called the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid Eau de Parfum. This is the travel spray. Of course, I was not wanting to commit to a full size because this is $39. The full size is $168. They have different sizes, but I got the little one. And let me read the notes on this. It is Gucci's first floral gourmand fragrance. It is a vanilla lover's dream, blends an enchanted contrast of sweet, warm vanilla, balanced with marine ozonic accord, which adds an unexpected freshness to the vanilla to create an intoxicating scent. The result is a sensual and long-lasting fragrance that's creamy, uplifting, and perfect for any occasion. I thank goodness for the reviews because I was interested. One of Luke's behavioral therapists had gotten a even smaller set during the holidays, and I had sniffed it, thought it was wonderful, was contemplating it, read the reviews, and then I was done because it talked about the citrusy lemon with the vanilla. And truthfully, what this smells like to me is like a limoncello. And wow, I love it so much. I've gotten compliments on this. I feel like it lasts longer than a lot of the perfumes in my collection. This is a really gorgeous perfume. Let's go ahead and test the transfer of this lipstick, which I know what it's going to do, which is nothing. And that is everything. Let me know what you thought about my choices. Would you have chosen different things? I would love to hear it. I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. Some are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I do make a small commission, and I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Be sure you are subscribed. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up. And again, make sure you leave that comment, even if it's just a heart to let me know you were here. Carmel Nicole, thank you for doing this video. Clara, thank you for tagging me. And I can't wait to hear what you would have chosen. Thank you for spending some of your precious time with me today. I will see you in the next one.